You are not your body. It might be difficult to believe, but this physical thing that you're wearing, it's actually just a costume. It's an avatar. That's not actually you. You have a body, but it does not mean you are your body. So if you're not a body, what are you? Maybe you're a husband. Maybe you're a father, a mother. Maybe you're a lawyer, a doctor, right? All of these are just different identities we carry in this functional avatar state. It doesn't necessarily mean that's who we are, right? We could strip that back. We could just add more and more identities. That doesn't actually bring you closer to who you are. In fact, it might even bring you further away because now you're labeling, you're putting yourself into a silo of what you are and what you're not. Well, if you're not this physical body, who are you? Well, spoiler alert, you're actually eternal. We are all eternal. Everything is eternal. Everything's energy. If you've studied any amount of physics, we know that energy cannot be created or destroyed. So what does that mean? It simply just transforms. We are actually eternal spiritual beings having a temporary human experience. What that means is, yeah, we have a body. Our body literally is decaying over time, right? 100 years, let's say that. After 100 years, what happens? We die. But in reality, it's not really dying, it's just our body transitioning from one state to another. We're no longer going to be tied to this physical body. Our consciousness still survives. And the consciousness actually goes somewhere else. We could choose to stay somewhere else, or if we decide to have another human experience, we could choose to come back to the human form. It's important to recognize that you're actually more unlimited than you believe, right? We have these physical bodies, but that is not who you truly are. It goes a lot deeper than that. Now, understanding how to get out of your physical body, not in a woo-woo or crazy sense, but more so, how can you stop being so attached to the 3D, to your physical body, and figure out, hey, how do you raise your consciousness? How do you raise your awareness to be able to appreciate the 3D a little bit more, to enjoy this experience that we have on Earth in this lifetime? That's kind of the whole thing. It's just, how do you appreciate more? How do you not get stuck in the details of the pain, the minutia, the day-to-day transporting to work, dealing with that coworker, with those clients, right? It's none of that. It's about, how do you raise your consciousness? How do you raise your awareness? So then you can actually enjoy this at a deeper level, because you know none of this is actually as real or as big of a deal as you may actually believe. It's so easy to get stuck in the 3D mentalities, but by understanding that this is not actually the ultimate truth, it sets you free, liberates you. And with that level of awareness, you could truly enjoy life at a completely different level. If you want to learn how to get out of your body from a higher consciousness level, I have a handful of meditations on this channel. Hit that subscribe and check out this meditation.